Pretty girl.
Yeah. We're gonna change the world together by doing this. That was really cheesy, but we're gonna change the world!
Hey, pretty girl. You're a good girl. Oh, yeah. You're a good girl. Who shacked this? Whatever his name is. Yeah, you wild girl.
Now, Shaq is back. But this time, Shark Week has asked him to go there to understand how sharks attack their prey. So he's enlisting a team of all-stars.
Yeah, he's doing big girl.
Inside the swarm.
It's like Joe Rogan.
Will take the ultimate plunge.
Real sure.
Well, that's a big guy right there.
Yeah.
Christ. Hit his head on the ceiling.
He's bending down and come through the doorways.
That's a size 22 shoe, yeah.
Is that a wetsuit?
Still fits. Since it's my second Shark Week, I realized I have to build up to something pretty big. I mean, how do you beat a shark attack on the first one? I will.
Oh, look, he got into the cage. Oh, jeez. That would suck. They got in there.
Proof. Hope I don't get eaten this year. Sharks are the perfect predator, so I need to assemble the most epic team possible. So, of course, I went to YouTube, because the craziest people seem to be on YouTube these days.
Crazy.
Yeah, these dudes don't back out anything.
Amber.
Dude Perfect. His 5 best friends who are sports
Are those the guys
They're
that-
pretty good, dude. You ever see
Were
that?
they on the other show? Or they just-
Oh, they do a bunch of trick shots. And, yeah.
Their videos have generated over 11 billion views.
Yeah, dude, they've done some crazy stuff. If you look them up on, they were one guy's.
Super rich from YouTube. 11 billion views.
Yeah.
Remember you were teaching me that, like, I look at, like, these, like, things at Sturgis, you know, and a guy will come on and go, hey, please subscribe, and it helps me out. So I guess, what, if he gets enough subscribers, then he can get advertising? Is that how they make their money?
Yes.
Okay.
But it doesn't take much to get advertising. What you give them more money on is then after they're monetized, they call it.
Okay.
Once you watch their video,
Okay.
does an ad pop up usually in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that means they're monetized. So they show the ad,
Okay.
and that pays, every time you watch the video, it gives them a small percentage of money.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
No, it's very small, but you have to add up. But if you get like a couple hundred,
But it's not that much, right?
Adds up.
It depends.
Over time?
It depends on the ads. Yeah, but over, if you get billions of views over
That,
your videos,
yeah.
monetized,
These guys
you're safely talking about they probably made about $10 to $20 million
off YouTube.
off YouTube
Wow.
over billions of views.
Damn,
Now, that's a lot of views.
Yeah.
That's unusual. Like even a guy like that, let's just say, if you want to see just for your curiosity how many views they have, look at the bottom of the video next time.
Okay.
Yeah.
You see, it says a number of views
Oh.
right below the video on your phone.
Okay.
It shows you how many the video's been watched already. And most videos that are popular end up getting about 100,000 views. That's still pretty popular.
Yeah.
That'll make someone probably about $2,000
They're
a
making the
video.
money by the advertisers.
Yeah,
Right.
that's how they
They're
monetize.
saying, hey, there's the advertiser going, hey, thank you for selling my widgets here because you've had so many viewers come in. And
Yeah, it's a percentage game. They say
Yeah.
every view you get gets you paid because it means that with your ad in the video, it gives them that much more of a chance to buy.
Well, that's the
product.
key. How do you get your ad in the video?
That's why the guy even says,
You gotta monetize it with a certain number of subscriptions. Like
that's why you
Right, yeah.
He says, hey, you subscribe. He said, it helps me out, folks.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
That's how they. Plus, the more subscribers they have too, the more it bumps you up in the algorithm.
Okay.
So it makes you know how like when you look at your home screen on YouTube, you see there's a bunch of recommended videos a lot of
Yeah,
times.
right, yeah.
Those are there for a reason. So it takes what you search for, and it also takes what's most popular by subscriptions, by views,
I think I
and it
thought that was-
calculates.
yeah.
It calculates a
That
formula,
stuff comes up, okay.
and it puts it in your feed. Now the reason is that you know how many
I don't
videos
get
are out
charged
there.
for that,
No,
though,
no,
right?
no.
'Cause I was
Oh
getting-
yeah, there's so many
Entirely,
videos.
Okay.
no, it's an entirely free platform. Even the
Okay,
people
yeah.
who put
That's what Matt was
videos.
saying, yeah.
Like my video from the drag racing, Matt
I still have that.
I put those on YouTube
Oh,
private.
okay,
I didn't want them being watched. I put them
Right.
private because it was a storage place.
Yeah, because I asked Matt about that, and he goes, hey, please subscribe, and I thought, gee, do I have to pay something? And the guy goes, please subscribe, I didn't know he is.
No, subscription is
You don't have to.
100%.
Yeah.
All it is nothing more than you hitting a button.
Yeah, gotcha.
It doesn't, you notice, if you hit the button, have you ever done that?
Yeah,
It's a subscription.
I haven't.
Yeah, I think he did.
If
Yeah,
you do,
remember?
you'll see it doesn't do anything. All it does is it turns on
It
the
comes
light,
back.
And it just said, all it does is it puts notifications for you that say, hey, you got a new video that you like.
Yeah.
It doesn't do anything else. You don't have to sign up.
Right, you don't pay, get a card in the mail
They
or a
don't need
check.
your email or anything to get a subscription.
Say you owe $20.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I don't know
No, that's
the ins and outs right now.
Shactus.
Like this. Look at it right in the eye and say, I'm not afraid of you, Mr. Sharkwing. That's why this go around for Sharkwing, I'm gonna stand on the biggest shark I can find.
Georgia Aquarius, the lions of wild sharks.
He's the one as big as the sharks.
Shack Ark. Try it.
Back in Jupiter, Florida, Dr.
Dude lives down
and
there.
the guys to the ledge, a deep-sea depression teeming with over 15 species of hungry sharks. There, Dude first
Somebody lives in Florida, man.
record the attack strength of a
Probably
bull
does,
shark.
Do we know exactly what we're getting into? Not really. I know. Are we nervous about it? I am. A little bit. We're at the spot that I know there are some nice sized bull sharks around.
Said the one guy worked at NASA.
14 feet.
When it comes to
Yeah, but this guy sounds
Yeah, he
like
said
one
it-
of the loafers.
Yeah, that's
more
great.
powerful than a great white.
This guy.
Like, come on, he sounds like a man. What are you talking about?
Shark is. The guy
Yeah, I like the water. Okay. Got slopped.
Yeah, right.
Little patch.
Like a 2-year-old.
Yeah, take a little patch. Yeah, boo.
So we keep free, girl.
Right here. Oh, that is
Oh, that's clever. Nice bag.
Oh,